children.
Hi friends! Welcome to BambinosZone. I am so excited today because my best friend Leo the Lion has a special song for you. Are you ready to learn your ABCs with Leo? Let's jump into the jungle and start singing! 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi everyone! Welcome to BambinosZone. Are you ready for an alphabet adventure? I have so many animal friends to show you. Let's go see who we can find. 1, 2, 3, sing! A is for ant, marching in a line. B is for bear, looking really fine. C is for cat, saying meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, let's play right now. We're walking through the alphabet, what do we see? A world full of animals, wild and free. From the A to the Z, let's shout it out loud. The animal kingdom is making us proud. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for fish, swimming right along. G is for giraffe, reaching for the sky. H is for horse, watch him gallop by. I is for iguana, sitting on a stone. J is for jellyfish, in the ocean zone. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, he's the king of the top. We're walking through the alphabet, what do we see? A world full of animals, wild and free. From the A to the Z, let's shout it out loud. The animal kingdom is making us proud. M is for monkey, swinging from a vine. N is for night owl, everything is fine. O is for octopus with 8 wiggly legs. P is for penguin, sliding on the ice. Q is for quack duck, swimming in the lake. R is for rabbit, with a carrot snack. S is for snake, hissing in the grass. T is for tiger, watching as we pass. U is for unicorn, magic and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in the light. W is for whale, splashing in the blue. X is for x-ray fish, you can see right through. Y is for yak, with hair to his toes. Z is for zebra, with stripes in rows. We're walking through the alphabet, what do we see? A world full of animals, wild and free. From the A to the Z, let's shout it out loud. The animal kingdom is making us proud.
Wow, that was so much fun! I hope you enjoyed learning with me and Leo today. If you want to see more of our adventures, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!